evening. Welcome to our channel The Angle. I'm Neetu Sharma with you. Let's begin with the headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah retaliated against AIM-IM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi, asked to be photographed with any one of the Hindus. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi writes a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging ban on export of corona vaccine. Congress state in charge Ajay Makan's statement on the by-election in Rajasthan said that my goal is to take everyone along in the party. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot writes a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urges to give Corona 30 lakh more vaccine. West Bengal has the fourth phase of election on Saturday. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has arrived in Kolkata just a day before the election. During this time, he claimed to win 68 out of 91 seats in the three-phase elections in Bengal. Along with Mamata Banerjee and AIM-IM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi fiercely targeted on AIM-IM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi's statement on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah retorted and asked to be photographed with any one of the Hindus. Let us know that during a rally in Bengal elections, a young man wearing a cap on the head is speaking in the ear of PM Modi. The picture went viral on social media. After the viral picture, Asaduddin Owaisi targeted Modi. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi has written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging him to stop the export of corona vaccine. He has urged that the role of states in the purchase and distribution of coronavirus vaccine should be increased and that vaccine exports be banned immediately. He also alleged in the letter dated April 8 that the vaccination effort seems to be weakening due to lack of proper implementation by the central government and negligence in it. He also asked the Prime Minister to provide necessary resources to the vaccine suppliers so that the capacity of vaccine formulation can be increased. The petition seeking a CBI inquiry into the incident with West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been dismissed by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has ordered the petition to move to Calcutta High Court. The Supreme Court said that it should first petition in the High Court. Reaching the Supreme Court for everything is not the solution. The petitioner's counsel in the Apex Court said that it was first described as an attack, then an accident. In this case, a CBI inquiry is necessary in this case. On this, Chief Justice Arvind Bobde got angry and said that, "Don't tell us this story, you should file a petition in the Kolkata High Court for this." Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel will meet Rakeshwar Singh Manhas, soldiers CRPF's Cobra Battalion who escaped from the clutches of Naxalites in Bijapur, Chhattisgarh. CM Bhupesh Baghel said this in a discussion with the media. CM Bhupesh said that along with the soldier, I will also meet and discuss with the mediators and social workers who played an important role in his release. Please tell that soldier Rakeshwar Singh will reach Raipur from Bijapur. After this, on April 10, a schedule has been set to meet CM Bhupesh Baghel. After the political struggle in the state, now the Congress entered the by-election. The picture of political equation changed. On this, Congress state in charge Ajay Makan says that my main goal is to take both Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot or former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot together. However, on the question of political reconciliation formula not coming to the ground so far, Makan said that it has been delayed due to the sudden demise of Ahmed Patel. Also said that everyone should get full respect in the party. That is my effort. According to Makan, the political appointments of activists were delayed due to the by-election. This will be done on priority after the election result. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot addressed the 51st Foundation Day function of NSUI through the video conference. In this program, CM Gehlot said that the Congress has given democracy to the country and today without the Congress, the country cannot move forward. He said that success is only what follows the truth. During this, the Chief Minister congratulated the NSUI officials and workers for completing half a century. During that time, Ashok Gehlot remembered his journey in NSUI and then in the Congress party. During this time, the student of Hanumangarh was also admitted to NSUI. Through this program, he targeted that BJP and RSS people only talk about Hindutva, due to which the atmosphere of Hindutva has been created everywhere, due to which we are also nervous. From this, it seems that perhaps people will not vote for us, but we will stand firm. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has written a letter to Prime Minister regarding COVID-19 vaccination. In the letter, the Chief Minister has written that till 7 April in Rajasthan, more than 86,89,770 people have been given the corona vaccine. PM Modi has asked to celebrate the Tika festival from 11 to 14 April. Chief Minister Gehlot has praised the PM's goal of 100% vaccination. CM Gehlot, while attracting the attention of the Prime Minister, wrote that the existing stock of vaccination in Rajasthan will be over in the next 2 days. Hence, I urge to provide 30 lakh doses immediately so that more and more beneficiaries can be vaccinated as soon as possible. In the letter, the Chief Minister wrote that the government had already made a plan to vaccinate 5 lakh beneficiaries every day in Rajasthan. A case of killing a priest has been reported in Bankala village of Savai Madhopur district of Rajasthan. Priest Raghunandan Sharma shot dead. BJP and Brahmin Society demonstrated. Memorandum submitted to the governor to the SDM accused of stopping the law system. That's all we have for you in this bulletin. Good night.